Excuse me, have you seen anything unusual or even mysterious in the last 2 hours? Oh no, okay, thank you anyways. Entschuldigung, hast du hier in den letzten 2 Stunden irgendwas Ungewöhnliches oder vielleicht sogar Mysteriöses gesehen? Nein? Okay, vielen Dank. Excuse me, have you seen anything unusual or even mysterious in the last 2 hours?
Hi. First calm down. What happened?
When I looked through my camera material, I saw this.
Wow, what a lucky guy. But why does that bother you?
It doesn't end here. Also, this happened. That really is mysterious, isn't it? And it happened during my shift.
Yes, you're right. This really was mysterious. But I didn't see neither of this. Maybe one of our guests has an idea what happened. Jetzt seid ihr gefragt. Was glaubt ihr, ist auf diesen Videos Seltsames passiert? Wer eine Idee hat, kann sich einfach melden. Ja.
Oh, you say the videos, they've been reversed, so played backwards. That really is a good idea. Let's watch another one, and if that looks like it's played backwards, then I think you're right. Now we know how he looks like, and we also know what happened. This really looks like it is reversed, right? So, I have another one. If this one looks like it's reversed too, then we can be sure something is wrong with my technology and these run backwards. Oh, what luck! They really are just played backwards, so my technology just has some kind of bug. No one will ever find out. I didn't watch these monitors at all and just played Angry Birds on my phone all the time. But I still have a question left. Why are you so sure these videos are played backwards? I mean, why do these processes only make sense forwards, but not backwards?
This is because they are irreversible.
Yeah, but why is that? I mean, there are many processes that can be reversed, like a pendulum. A pendulum will just swing forwards and backwards again and again.
Let's, for example, consider the dice we saw in the first video. As you see, there's just one possibility to roll only 6s, but many possibilities to roll something else. In our example with 6 dice, there are already 46,655 possibilities to roll something else than 6 6s. And so it makes sense that it is so much more likely to roll something else than 6 6s.
Makes sense indeed.
And it is the same for cards. You see? Just one possibility to have an ordered deck of cards, but many possibilities to have an unordered deck of cards. And this is why you always get an unordered deck of cards when you shuffle an ordered one, but you will never get an ordered deck of cards when shuffling an unordered one.
Wow, so if the number of possibilities gets that large, it becomes impossible to do it backwards. So the number of possibilities, it seems to be a really important thing. Is there a name for it?
Yes, there is.
Oh.
Some drunk physicist once told me about it. It is called entropy.
Entropy. So, is it really that simple? Just the number of possibilities?
Not exactly, but almost. You see, the physicist also put the formula for the entropy on a beer coaster. Yeah, I know, it looks complicated, but this S here is just the entropy, and this P is the number of possibilities we talked about.
So much math, physics, stuff. Now I really need a drink. Barkeeper, 1 water martini. Stirred, not shaken.
Let's stir it. There you go.
Now I see entropy everywhere. What you just did, that stirring, it is irreversible. I can stir it backwards, but it will stay mixed anyways.
So you say it is impossible to unmix liquids by stirring backwards?
Oh yes, I do.
Okay. I will now do the following. I will take this vessel here. And I will insert a drop of color in it. Just a second. Open it here. Take the color. Okay. Okay, so we have a color pattern in here. And now I will stir by 3 rotations.
I don't get why you're doing this again. I mean, you did the same experiment just a minute ago. That would be like shuffling a shuffled deck of cards and receiving an ordered one.
Well,
That wouldn't make any sense, right?
let's just try it out.
No, it's not possible. Nothing will happen at all. I mean, we just learned it's because of entropy. It will just stay mixed. I'm certain about it. Physics is on my side this time.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I am sure. Whoa. I mean, I was sure. Doesn't that contradict what we just learned? Oh, then I have to think about this. This works forwards and backwards. So the entropy cannot have increased in any direction. So the entropy must have stayed the same all the time. Gotcha! You didn't just distribute the color randomly with that stirring, you moved it in a controlled way, which you can then just undo.
Well, yes, you're right. If I get back my slides, if I stir the water martini that you ordered, random whirls occur. These distribute the color randomly. And so there are many possibilities how this mixing could end. As you learned, the entropy then increases and the process cannot be undone. But in this vessel is no water. Inside this is corn syrup. This is a very viscous liquid. I'll show you. So here I have corn syrup. You see? It's viscous, no water. Okay? So if I stir this vessel with the corn syrup, you see, the corn syrup always forms a very particular pattern, no random whirls. This means there are just a few possibilities how this mixing can end. The entropy stays the same, and I can just undo it.
I think now I got your stirring trick. But I think I still forgot something. Aha! I still have to thank your guests. Well, thank you. You solved my camera problem. And thank you. You explained me why some things cannot be reversed using entropy. this entropy is a pretty cool concept, isn't it? So let's drink a toast to the entropy.
To entropy.